This is awesome.
So remember, just hit the red button. Just hit it. Oh, it is?
Oh, sh! Spread it. Spread it. That's the police.
All right, guys, 3. What was that?
Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh!
That's awesome.
Oh my God!
High five.
High five!
High five. I want to do it 3 more times.
I know, my heart kind of hurt a little bit on that one. I wasn't ready. There we went. Like above that.
Awesome.
I think I swallowed my spit. That was
I'm
awesome.
going to do it again.
How can we?
Okay, now what?
How can we? High five. That was so rad.
Oh, I can't wait to see the video. They should really give you a couple. Are we lowering it all? Because I don't feel like we are.
What do we do?
Oh, here we go. Okay. That's great.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I went to the bathroom. I would have missed my pants on that.
We need to do that again.